Hi guys, in this video we'll be seeing how the clipping section works in RHINO. So I'll be explaining the section tools, like how to create a section, how to extract the section like here, and how to make live clipping drawings, and how to make nested drawings. So we'll see all the drawings in here. Maybe I'll show in the new monochrome also. Yeah. Alright, start. You can find the sections, clipping sections under drafting, sections, and create. Or what I do is you can directly go to the drafting toolbar and then use the drop down the cascade. So here you can clearly see what are all the commands we are going to use. Create clipping drawings, extract clipping sections, view clipping sections or clear it, and nest it. These are the commands we are going to see. Okay, first we are going to create a clipping section. It says select the objects for the section. So we'll select the model and press enter, and we'll place the section and enter again. So now the section is placed. Here you can see the name of the section, and once you select the section plane in the properties, you can either change the name. For me that the name is fine, or the label, I will change the label to the dots, and that's it. So now I'll move the section plane right about here. Yeah, for me I want to flip the direction, so I'll flip it. Okay, so this is good. Now what's the thing is, the new feature has the option called the hatches. So currently I've already applied the hatch. I'll show one more time also. In the this is a slab layer, and within the slab layer I'll move, and in the section style you can see the patterns. So you have a pattern of hatch. I'll have a hatch this way, and the color of the hatch can be changed. The rotation is 45. You give a scale of 0.2, and yeah, you can see the hatches are changed. I'll give for the ground plane. So there is a ground. Here, and the section I'll select the plus hatch type. I'll change the pattern, color, rotation is fine, scale I'll give 0.2, the same, and okay. Now you can see it's updated. What happens is, it's not just for this view. When the section plane is updated, the hatches also get updated. So yeah, now let's see if you want to extract the clipping section. I want just the section, so let's see, select the clipping section, and that's it. This is as fast as it comes, just the clipping section. It's the same everywhere. If you want here, again extract, drag the section also. Yeah, you can see the extraction comes right now. What we are going to see is clipping drawing. This is a new feature, create clipping section drawing. So now you have to select this clipping plane. I've selected this as I'll go for the top view for a better view. I'll place, before placing it, I want to show whether we want to show the hatches. For me, I'll show the hatches, solids, no. Background is this is the one which we got is the extract one, just whatever the clipping section cuts. Now if you want the background, it shows whatever behind the section cut also, so it usually takes a little time. Once we place the window, it automatically updates everything, whatever is shown in the clipping view, it gets updated in this small window. See, now you can see with even the sections and everything, the hatches and the view. The more detail you give, the more better the output comes. With the hatches and everything, it automatically gets updated. So I'll create another one. I'll just simply copy by pressing the Alt key, copy paste it. Now I'll turn this way. So I wanted a section this way. I'll just turn off the first section now for now. So this is the second section I want. So I will repeat the same thing. Select the drawing. I'll just check the hatches. Yes, everything is checked, and I'll go for the top view. See, in the second one, what I have done, I've given a longitudinal section. In this one, this usually takes the time because the more poly surfaces you added, and it takes this much of time. So this is one of the newest feature. Yes, we have the section 1, and this is automatically updated dynamically. So for me, it may take some time for me, but depending on the specs of your computer, sure it will come more faster. So let's see, I've moved a little bit. I've moved a little bit, so this is taking a little. What happens is it makes a section plane again, and then it starts updating the new section for section 01. Now it is done. You can see the new updated section. Here you can give the dimensions and everything. See the total height and all. And if we want to edit this section, we can see the new layers are created. This is for section 1, and this will be for the section 2. No, sorry, that is section 00, and this is section 01. So if you want to edit the section, you want to first unlock the sections. Then all the curves will be separately. This is easy for edit. So this is one of the easiest way for making the 2D drawings. Now let's see. Now let's see one of the latest feature of the clipping planes. I'll go to the perspective. I'll turn off both the sections. For now, okay, I'll just turn it off now. So let's say I want to show the model in level wise. So for that, I'll copy the section. You can see the section names gets updated automatically. For now, I'll hide this sections. Now in the section properties, you can see objects to be clipped. Here you can clip only the objects that are getting selected. So for now I'll remove all the objects because we have selected the whole model. So now I'll select only the roof layer and select, and I'll turn on the perspective. Once you see, this clipping plane will only clip, this section will only clip the roofing layer. This will look better in render when I see. Yes, I'll flip again for this way. Yeah, so this one will clip only the roofing layer. Now I'll copy another time, and for the another section, I'll select included the layers are turned off here, roof and the sheets. So now the sheets are also getting updated. In the third one, I'll go with layers. I'll select maybe the purlins too. Okay, so this is a view which is good for presentation or for more detailed understanding of the structure. You can see layer by layer. So once you move the section plane, it gets automatically updated also. Here, let's say I need only particular objects instead of layers. So I select it, I turn off the layers, and I'll select the objects which need to be clipped. So click on objects, I'll select only the objects that are to be clipped. Select this wooden purlin, maybe these polygons, the slabs and all, and when I hit enter, so you can see only the objects I've selected are clipped. So this will be more useful when you need only a particular set of objects to be in the section. Now let's see the last feature, nested clipping drawings. So I have a small model, contour model, or we can say it's an art piece also. So what nested view does, it stacks all the clipping drawings in a single plane. So I'll select the clipping. First I have to create a single clipping drawing. I'll select it. Here I have to, for the direction it will be X or Y. For now I will select the clipping plane, C plane. So I'll select a direction and hit enter. Two, I guess two was selected. Okay, one. It's good. So I'll turn off for now. I'll then change the label to a dot, and now I'll go for a front view. Now I'll array linear, number of object items be 20, and first reference be the point here, and I'll give the distance between each clipping planes can be 0.15 meters. The units are in meters, so this will be 15 millimeters. You can see the names are changed automatically, updated automatically. So now again, what clipping drawing, you can see the nested clipping drawing does is select the clipping drawings. I'll select all. So all the clipping drawings will be selected. First reference base point. I'll go for the top view. Base point, I'll just keep it right above the model. So you can see till section 16 the planes are getting cut. So you can see from 0 to 16 what are all the cut sections at every level. I'll show you another column which I made. So I'll do the same again. I'll select an object for creating a clipping plane. I'll select a point, reference point, then again make a section. Okay. I'll keep the name as like this only. I won't change the label. Then again I'll turn off and I'll go in the front view. You can see array linear again, 20 objects, or maybe I can get 25 with reference. I'll give a starting reference point, then I'll give a minimum of 0.06. Oh, it exceeds again. Okay. Maybe I won't give minimum value this time. Yeah, this is fair enough. And another 25 objects are created. Now I'm going to nest again. So nested clipping drawings, nest all the clipping drawings. I go to the top view. I'll just select. I'll place it right at the bottom. Yeah. So you can get under each name. So at every section, okay, that section, the section is this. At section 21, this is the section. This is easier for understanding the drawings at each levels for small objects. Some people do it in Grasshopper through contouring, but this is the way you do in RHINO. So thank you, and that's all will be my project.